Hello my billionaire family, welcome back. Today video will be on this turban that I saw on Instagram, so I decided to share it with you guys, to do tutorial for you guys. So we'll be needing needle and thread, tape rule and office pin and our satin. So we only need 1 yard of satin for this. 1 yard of satin. Mine is not even up to 1 yard. It's like 1 yard, then dividing it into 2 again. So let's just say half yard of satin is enough, but the length has to be long. Just look at it, guys. So by the length is 58. The length is 58. 58 by 17. So that's what we'll be needing. So after that, this procedure is very simple. It's not something that is hard. Just look at the tutorial very well. You will understand it. So I'll be using that by 4. That is by 4. I will now be using it to roll it. It depends on how you want it to be thick. That is, just look at what I'm doing. You understand it now. Just look at what I'm doing. I'm rolling the satin together. So this is what I'm saying. I've rolled it together, then folding it into 2 like this, like so. Like so. Then I'll be cutting it. If you are doing twist, no need of you cutting it. I made mistake. If I know, I would have not cut it. I thought I want to do the weaving on, but the next tutorial will be on the weaving on, but I'm just doing the twisted one now. So I'll be using office pin to pin that place down, so that when using needle and thread to sew it, it will not be removing. So that's what I'm doing now. So please let me know what you think about this tutorial. If you want me to do the weaving one, let me know at the comment section. So I'm still using needle and thread. Sorry, I'm still using office pin, I mean. So that is it. So now I'll be cutting it, then use needle and thread to sew it together. But before that, I think I'll be using needle and thread to hold that place. My office pin, I mean. Like so. If you are a tailor, you will get this process very well. So the next thing, I'll be using needle and thread to sew both together like that. I did not have that satin gele color. That is why I'm just making use of the black satin. I'm making use of black thread that I have because I know it will not show. So that is why I'm just making use of it like that. So you have to sew it tight like so. I'm still sewing it. So let me know if you have any question. Let me know if you have any question. So that is it. I'm through sewing it like so. So the next thing now, I'll put the middle there like that in my mouth, then start twisting it because I don't have somebody to hold it for me. I'm making this video at night, so I put it at my mouth like so. That is what I'm doing. So I'm twisting it now. I'm twisting it. Since I don't have someone to hold it for me, you can just put the fabric in your mouth, then start twisting it like so. Make sure your twisting is very firm. So I'm removing the needle and the thread, sorry, the office pin that I pin it down there. I'm removing it. That's what I'm doing now. So I'll be using office needle and thread now to tie it there at the end there. But I'll be doing this off camera because the needle and thread really give me tough time there because that place is very thick. So they took light there, that is why. So I'll sew it now. I'll sew it like so. So I just cut like an inch of the satin. That's what I'll be using to wrap it there like that. So that if we want to tie it at the back, so I'm using needle and thread now to sew it. It's very thick, so that is why you have to be careful with the needle and thread not to hurt yourself. So I'm still sewing it. So if you have like machine, you can just sew that other place down, but I don't have any machine. I'm just using this for tutorial, that is why. So now I'll be doing the same thing here too, like that. So that is it. So I'm through. They've took our light, that is why you see the place is dark like that. So this is it. This is the finished look of the turban. Do let me know if you have any question. So you can just buy 1 yard of satin, so that the half yard you will use it to tie your hair, then the half yard you will use it to achieve this. So that is it. Do let me know if you have any question, please, and let me know if you want to see the attachment on this twist one. So do let me know if you want to see the weaving one. Yes. So here is the back. That is it. And this is all right, guys. Bye.